to all gates. Right, it's this escalator. Can't coordinate things. Smells weird down here. Yeah. I want to get to the train in the front. I hate riding in the back. Board here for all A, B, and C gates. To all trains to all stations depart from other side of platform. Yet there's a train there?
Board here
For all A, B, and C gates. Is this the front? The train should come from that way then, because it turns around. We're on the right platform. It should go this. Let's look at that's the west. This is the west side. Please watch your step. Doors are closing. Right, I need to be close to the sound systems.
No, you don't.
Well, I want the sounds to be able to be heard.
It's in the whole thing.
This train is departing.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all A gates.
This thing sure pulls fast. It's gonna turn right here. We're on the other side of the platform. Now if you look that way, you should be able to see the other train. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Now that we're on the right side of the platform, it begins to speed up after the whole train point, which is about here. There's the station. It's that thing with all the lights.
Hold on, please. We're approaching the station for all A gates. Exit here for all A gates.
Yep. Just filming the
Please watch your step.
doors are closing. This train is departing.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all B
Clear
gates.
after the doors close. Concourse B. I don't know why they dropped the term concourse off these. It shakes a lot. God. And there's the other train.
Hold on, please. You're approaching the station for all B gates. Exit here for all B gates. Please watch your step.
closing. This train is departing. Oh, sure is hard to film a video on an escalator. The doors are closing. Please keep clear. And hold on. I want to film the train platform too. Yeah, I know. Which is why I'm nowhere near the actual edge. Which way is our gauge? I think it's... Oh, 8. I'm gonna